Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Anderson. The government is moving to strengthen Jamaica's economic security as it identifies organized crime as a growing threat to one of the country's most important industries. The National Security Council says lottery scamming has evolved beyond a criminal issue, becoming a threat to Jamaica's global services sector.
Economic security is national security. The global services sector, the BPO sector, is one of Jamaica's most strategic national assets. As we aspire to become the premier nearshore destination in the region, we cannot tolerate organized criminal enterprises that increase the cost of doing business, undermine investor confidence, damage our reputation, and erode our competitiveness. The government has resolved to eliminate lottery scamming and dismantle the entire criminal ecosystem that enables it and profits from it.
To support that objective, the Council approved the development of legislative and policy reforms to modernize Jamaica's lottery scam legislation and substantially strengthen criminal penalties. The global services sector has undergone significant changes, with employment declining from approximately 60,000 workers to 40,000 workers, while annual foreign exchange earnings have fallen to between $700 million and $900 million. But despite that decline, the government says the global services sector remains one of Jamaica's largest export industries and a major earner of foreign exchange. The government is pushing back on claims that a front-runner has emerged in the race for the Bank of Jamaica governor. The search committee says it takes note of an article published in print media on July 26 regarding an emerging front-runner for the next governor of Bank of Jamaica. The government says the committee's work is still ongoing and no recommendations to the government have been made yet regarding a short list of possible candidates for the position. The Ministry of Finance says the committee's work is highly confidential and any announcement prior to the conclusion of the process is speculative and a disservice to all candidates. As such, the committee will not comment on the individual candidates. The search committee would like to reaffirm that the process underway will maintain the highest levels of transparency and integrity. To some stocks news now, the JC index declined by 184 points today, while the junior market index declined by 30 points. The winners include Apple 7.25%, Medical Disposables and Supplies, MFS Capital Partners, G West Corporation, and Qantas Advantage. The losers include Palace Amusement, Consolidated Bakeries, Innovative Energy Group, Edufocal, and Main Event Entertainment Group. 21 stocks traded firm. At the end of foreign exchange trading, banks and cambios were selling the US dollar for an average $159.17. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $113.44. The pound is going for $211.03, while the euro is selling for an average $181.34. And that's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Anderson. News from overseas when we return.